Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Hulu outside of the US in 2023 or United States. Hulu is a popular streaming platform that offers a wide range of movies, TV shows, and original content. However, it is primarily available for users within the United States. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll explore methods to access Hulu from anywhere in the world. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you have or you prefer in your PC. So the method that we're going to use in this video is a VPN. So the most common and effective way to access anything outside the US is using a VPN or virtual private network. Of course, a VPN allows you to mask your IP address and appear as you are browsing from a different location. Choose a VPN or a reputable VPN service that offers servers in the United States. And of course, once you choose a VPN service, IP address masked, and your IP address masked, of course, you will have the option to visit whatever thingy that you would like to use outside of US. So you should go and check for the all VPN options that are available. Of course, there is a lot of options. Some of them are popular, some of them are paid, some of them are free. So you can go and choose whatever suits you as an example. Of course, there's even some extensions as an example. So here, you can even go to this extensions right here and click on manage extensions. As you can see, I have a VPN here. But for you, if it's your first time, you can simply go here and type extensions and click on it. And as you can see, make sure to click on this Chrome Web Store. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to go and search for store and go and type free VPN as an example and hit the enter button. As you can see, you will have here a lot of options, but the popular option is this free VPN ZenMates, the best VPN for Chrome. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll find here that as you can see, you can read here the overview for yourself. If I read this, I'll take like a lot of time to read it. So, of course, the features is available for Android if you want to. You can get it from here. Just click on get it and you'll be able to get it for your Android. And you can use it as extension from your PC if you want to. Of course, there are even the privacy practices. Make sure to go and read the privacy policy for yourself so you'll not have any problem in the future with them and you'll be aware of everything. And of course, you find here the reviews of people, so you can go and check it. And of course, you find here the support. If you're having any issues, you can visit the publisher support site or any related things that is like this. As you can see, there's this Touch VPN, which is, as you can see, unblock any websites and stay secure. And Touch VPN, one click connect to our VPN or fast VPN unlimited bandwidth and completely free. You can even use this as an example, so you can choose whatever suits you. So I'm just going to download both, and for me, this is already downloaded. And for this, let's just go and try it out also. So we just go here and send it, and here we are. So now we can simply go and start. So go to this VPN as example and switch the location to best choice, or for us, we would like to the United States. So click on it, and now you can simply click on connect. Once you click on connect, this will connect you to the United States directly. And as you can see, the connection now is established. Now we will have to go and access the Hulu website. So with the VPN connected and your IP address masked, visit the Hulu website and you should now be able to access the Hulu contents library and sign in to your account. You can browse through the available movies, TV shows, and other content examples. So simply go here and type hulu.com and hit the enter button. Of course, you may notice that your speed may or might be maybe a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem because you are using a VPN. That's why it's a bit slower, but it's not going to affect the speed or anything. So it's just slower just a bit, so it's not going to be a big problem. So here you'll have two options. You can get Hulu and Disney and both with ads for just $10 per month, or you can get Hulu, Disney Plus, and SPN Plus, all with ads for $12 or $13 per month. And of course, if you didn't want any of them, you can simply click on sign up for Hulu only if you didn't want this Disney Plus and SPN Plus also. So simply click on sign up for Hulu only. You'll be able here to see the plans of Hulu. As you can see, there is this one, which is the most popular. As you can see, it gets your first month free if you want to. There's this Hulu with no ads, and there's the Hulu Plus Live TV. So make sure to go and choose whatever suits you. And simply, if you are looking for, of course, even a student discount, you can simply click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to sign up now if you are a student. There's the student deal for you. So as you can see, stream tons of shows and movies with Hulu with ads. Plan for just $2 per month instead of $8 per month. Save 75% of the regular month price of Hulu with ads. Plan and cancel anytime. And of course, you'll even get a free trial of, if you go back here, you will get a free trial, as you can see, with first month of every plan, even the students one. But of course, this one, which is Hulu Plus Live, as you can see, no free trial available. But this one will, if you exclude show, play with ads. So make sure to keep that in mind. Now, of course, you'll have to go and sign up for your account if you don't have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and log in into it, and you will be able to watch Hulu without any problem. You'll be able to enjoy the Hulu content. So once you've gained access to Hulu, you can enjoy all the available content and stream your favorite TV show and catch up to the latest episode and discover new movies and take advantage of Hulu feature such as creating playlists and saving favorites and exploring personalized recommendations. And of course, to ensure like a smooth streaming experience, you can optimize your VPN connection and choose a server with a low latency and stable connection. Of course, if you experience any buffering or slow streaming, you can try switching to a different server within the United States. Of course, this will normally not be available on the free options, but of course, there is the options like other VPNs that are paid that will give you this option. But of course, it will be paid plans required. And of course, remember to keep your VPN active throughout your Hulu streaming session. And of course, if you're disconnected from the VPN, Hulu may detect your actual location and restrict the access or to its content. So just keep that in mind. Keep the VPN running in the background to maintain a secure and uninterrupted connection. Because if you remove it, you may get detected and restricted from it. And of course, stay up to date. It's important to stay up to date with any changes in Hulu policies or geo restrictions. So, streaming platforms like Hulu may periodically update their security measures to prevent VPN usage. So, keep an eye on VPN provider updates and online forums to ensure continued access for Hulu from outside the US. So, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to use the Hulu outside the US in 2023 by using a VPN to mask your IP address, installing and configuring the VPN application, accessing the Hulu website also, and enjoying the content. You can bypass the geographical restriction and enjoy the Hulu extensive library from anywhere in the world. Remember to choose a reliable VPN service and stay updated with any changes in Hulu policies. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite show and movies on Hulu. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.